How to use screencast or share your screen during live stream using your phone. First thing to do is open your YouTube app. Then at the bottom, click the plus sign. Click next. Then you have to add a title. Example, Biz Home is live. Or kahit anong title na gusto mong ilagay, ilagay mo na dyan. Kung nagluluto ka, pwede mo ding ilagay cooking live. After that, select audience. I-click mo yung no, it's not made for kids. And then, maglagay din sa description ng hashtag, gaya ng ginawa ko dyan, hashtag live. Or any hashtag, depende sa content mo. Next, click the back sign. Pagkatapos, click the advanced setting. And then, click enable monetization. Click the back sign again. And now, here is the screencast. You have to click that also. You may also add game title if you want, pero pwede din namang wala. Click next. Kita din yung face natin dyan. Mamaya pwede natin i-turn off. Click next again. Then, click got it. So, yan na yung lalabas. Pwede mo nang i-click yung start now. Then, sa upper left, kung ayaw mo makita yung face mo, click mo lang yung video. So, ayan, picture ko na lang ang nandyan. And, we're live. Nakalagay na sa screen natin is your stream has started. So, dito, just look for your folder kung nasaan ang iyong Google Photos. After that, you choose what video do you want to share on your screen. So, for example, ito yung napili ko. Mag-automatic repeat na ito or yung tinatawag nilang looping. Habang nag-live ka, tuloy-tuloy na yan hanggang sa matapos. At para naman lumiit yung profile picture natin, click mo lang yung settings dyan and then move mo lang to the left. Pwede mo nang ilipat kung saan mo gustong ilagay. That's it. Hope it helps. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.